Prepare the awning body and the installation accessories. Note that this is what the 270 awning and brackets should look like when properly assembled. Open the 270 awning track cover. Slide the M8*30 hex head screws into the track, 3 screws for each track. Adjust the screw positions. Secure the brackets to the 270 awning body using the screws and nuts, making sure the engraved side of the brackets faces upward. The nuts do not need to be fully tightened, and the brackets should be able to slide left and right. Close the 270 awning track cover. Lift it onto the roof to confirm the position of the mounting crossbars. Insert the spring nuts into the crossbar slot and slide them into the proper position. To spring nuts for each crossbar, secure the awning brackets to the roof rack using M8 Allen screws and M8 flat washers, then loosen them by 2 turns after fully tightening. Adjust the position between the awning body and the vehicle to ensure proper alignment front to back. Then fully tighten all M8 Allen screws, connecting the 3 awning brackets to the roof rack. Adjust the awning body left and right. Use a ratchet wrench to fully tighten all 9 M8 nuts on the back of the 270 awning body. Installation complete.